I had a viewer ask me about wrapping the mirror caps on the Volkswagen Jetta, and I decided to do this video to kind of help him out. At least this is the way I do it. First, you're gonna need some tools. You're gonna need a squeegee with a clean buffer, tucking tool, a blade, a Schmitty, which is pretty much just for removing the vinyl off the roll, a heat gun, and some knifeless tape. This is kind of pricey. This is like 40 bucks on its own. They do sell a trial size, which is cheaper and just the right amount for this job. And I'll leave that link down below for all this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna rewrap this mirror. It's already got some rock chips, so I'm gonna just peel this off and we'll get started. First thing you want to do is clean. I'm using an alcohol and water solution just to get off that grime and dirt, get in all the edges. Next thing you want to do is set up your knifeless tape. We're going to go along this edge here. If you don't know how to use knifeless tape, go check out a video real quick. It's a really useful tool when it comes to this stuff. It pretty much just cuts the vinyl cleanly without having to put a blade on the paint. Just run a little extra along the edge. Okay, so you got your knifeless tape ran down, and we're gonna do this piece. I've seen people do it both ways. They wrap this piece first, and then they add this to hold it. And I've seen it done, you know, vice versa. I've done it both ways, and it really doesn't make a difference. Just want to get the wrinkles out. You want to get right to the knifeless tape. Fill this in. You can use a squeegee or you can use a wrap glove. Either way works the same. Wrap gloves kind of just have a better chance of having no scratches on the film. I think it'll be okay. Alright, easy trick. Hold your finger on the vinyl itself. Hold the other hand on the knifeless tape. So like that. And then just pull. Just want to remove the excess here. And we'll finish that up. Alright, now with that, just kind of run your finger along the edge. Gently, don't add any more wrinkles. And now what we're going to do, we're going to cut off the excess. Ran the blade along the bottom of this edge, and then you get down to this area here and you want to just run your blade up. So now you grab your tucking tool and just go along the edges and make sure everything's tucked in and covered. Okay. Alright, you're going to set up your knifeless before. gloss black. Nice big juicy piece. Anchor that down. This side. Now for the rest of this, we're gonna add some heat. Don't need a lot, just to soften the material. This way. Down. Rest of this. Relax over the mirror. So that's pretty much, we cut along the edge there, just kind of run along the light, and then just tuck under the rest. Okay, now don't need this. This top piece, we're just going to relax. And then we're going to cut along the opposite edge. Alright, since we cut along the edge and then tucked it in, it's going to give you that gap. There's one more piece we got to do, and that's just a thin black strip we add to the top in order to seal this top piece and cover up that piece. I added a piece of masking tape just to help when it comes to tucking in, and I got a nice strip of gloss black, which you can use by using this tool and gently running it along your vinyl. You get a nice strip. Doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to get the job done. Okay, so you just want to place that. That's good. You just want to round the body line. That's what you get. Just want to get close into that edge. And you can start kind of from the back and just get the vinyl just tucked in there. So the masking tape kind of helps, just kind of help ease it in. Let's see. Alright, we could take a break. Let's see. No problem with taking your time, going slow, and doing things in multiple pieces. Alright. I'm just double checking my cuts. Looks okay. Just gonna bend it this way. Alright. And this piece we're just gonna smooth out with the rest. So let's lift that up. Move the tape over. Just kind of smooth it back down. This thing you want to do is just wipe it down. A little soap and water. It's hot in here. It's like 96 degrees in this garage. So once you're done, post heat with a heat gun around all the edges and corners. And what that's going to do is if there's any issues or if there's any problems with the vinyl, it'll show when the heat hits it. So you'll see bubbles or you'll see it start to pull, but you just want to attack the main corner areas where you stretched, any areas where you added a seam. Just pretty much hit the whole mirror. Driver's side, it was done the same and still looks good. No lifting, but I will need to redo it because it looks like this one also has rock chips as well. So again, guys, just practice, be patient, order extra material just in case you mess up, and have fun with it. It's just putting a sticker on a car. Nothing serious. All right? So I'll put the link down to all the stuff I used, and if this video helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe for more content.